Welcome to the introduction video for the ThermoPro TP-902 dual probe Bluetooth meat thermometer. In this video, we'll be going over the package contents, the initial setup, the design and features, and the application features and operation. But first, let's go over the package contents. Out of the box, you will receive one customer support card, one user manual, one barbecue clip, 2 AAA batteries, 2 stainless steel probes, and one TP-902 meat thermometer. Now let's go over the initial setup. First, insert the batteries into the back of the device. Next, scan the QR code for your operating system. Download and open the app. Accept all the permission prompts, then click Start Pairing. Congratulations, you've successfully paired your device to your phone. Now let's go over some of the design and features. This device is equipped with a touchable backlit LCD display, a temperature alarm. It has an auto-rotating feature for the high and low set temperatures. It has a power Fahrenheit Celsius button, a wall hanging hole, a tabletop stand, and a low battery indicator which only appears when the battery is low. Now let's dive into the application features and operation. This app offers a high and low ambient temperature alarm, programmable preset meat temperatures, as well as customizable target or range temperature profiles, a temperature graph feature, a timer feature, and if you go into the settings, it has a Fahrenheit Celsius option, a disconnection notice, and a variety of alarm options. Congratulations, you are now ready to set up and use your brand new ThermoPro TP-902 dual probe Bluetooth meat thermometer.